Hey, how you doing? This is Anthony over at Woodyard today. I just wanted to give a little talk about a product that I feel needs a little bit more attention, education in the community because of their versatility and the thought behind it. These are the clips, okay? These are tool clips, spring clips, standard, right? Everyone's like, oh, cool, it's clips, right? But you really can't find anything like this on the market. These are modeled after like the old ones that we find in the bracelet boxes that we really can't find anymore. I tried sourcing everywhere. So I just want to show you guys a real comparison. So what I found was, for the most part, these are perfect fits. For the really thin ones, you're going to have to squeeze your little spring clip a little bit more. See this? It's almost the perfect fit, right? But it's just loose right there. So you would just squeeze a little tighter, just like they did in the old boxes, right? Just the way it is. But as you get up to, any of the other ones, they're perfect sized. Now, why do I know they're perfect sized? Because I have my own chisel I throw up here. So I have all my marking gauges, I have my knives, I have my owls, my calibers, everything's here. My chisel set, everything I need to grab is right here, ready to go. These are my more important tools that I could put up here. I could take this down, I could pop a hammer up. I mean, these are all things right here that as you're using your tools, this is what you want, access. You don't have to take up a drawer, you don't need to do anything. You just take a little board, don't overthink it, slap it on, and there you have it. People who have been using smaller screws, rivets, and one of the cooler ones was something I found here. Simple design. It just slides right in, right? You could put a rivet right there. And this is perfect for another 100 years. You could do anything you want with this. You can hang your chisels. They're absolutely perfect. Choose whatever size you want and make it yours. It's time for you to get your workshop working for you.